Have you ever wondered why there's food selling in every inch of Thailand? From the biggest food departments, down to the restaurants, down to the stores, and down on the streets. Now we're focusing on one of the most desirable topics for us growing up teenagers to talk about. It's street food. You can find any level of weirdnesses in Thailand, especially in food zones. For an example of strange edibles, many foreigners and also some Thai people are shocked to see fried scorpions ready to be consumed in night markets. Oh yeah, this Instagram post was what I was talking about. See, do you think people really eat this? I bet you don't.
Today we're at Yay! Khao is a pedestrian road. There are lots of foods here and there. But today we're not taking you to eat scorpion. Now let's take a look at some visual and sweets.
First, I want to represent you about Pad Thai. Have you ever heard it? Pad Thai is the most famous and delicious street food in Thailand. It is often made of pork, chicken, beef, or any other meat. It is found made with shrimp or dry shrimp and tofu. And the ultimate in order to cater for the foreign tastes. In authentic Thai cuisine, it is almost always eaten simply with dry shrimp and tofu, and optionally a generous helping of fresh shell-on prawns of an add taste of the sea. And because of its flavor that is not only sweet but also little sour. That's why the foreign tourists like it and vote it as a delicious food in the world in many websites. And today at Khao San Road, where I'm standing on now, has many Pad Thai restaurants that's very delicious and waiting for you to taste them.
This is a coconut ice cream. It is famous in Thailand ice cream. That far many in Khao San Road and it have another sweet that's famous too. That is Khanom Chan. Khanom Chan is one of ancient Thai desserts which Thai ancestors usually made an auspicious ceremony. In Thai, the word Khanom means dessert and Chan means layer. It usually sealed with a 9-layer form. The number 9 itself has connotation of prosperity in Thai because in Thai, 9 is pronunciation like the word that which means progress. Khanom Chan represents prosperity in life and promotion in your occupation. Khanom Chan is fragrant, subtly sweet and slightly oily. From the addition of coconut milk, the texture is smooth yet sticky.
And this is som tam or papaya salad. It is originally from the northeast of Thailand. Som tam is a spicy salad made from shredded unripe papaya. This dish combines 5 tastes of the local cuisine, which are hot chili, sour lime, salty, savory fish sauce, and sweetness added by palm sugar. The ingredients are combined and pounded in a mortar. And depending on the type of the salad, it can be added with dried shrimp and crab and like rice noodles. Moreover, if you have a side of rice, sticky rice, it can take as a texture of nice contrast to the som tam too. Som tam is very delicious, and if you come visit Thailand, I hope you won't miss it. Thank you.
Another Thai food that really stands out as street food is khanom buang or Thai crepes. Colorful and slightly bizarre, these snacks are often found as tiny sets of rice flour crepes, and they are filled with meringue, which is egg whites and sugar, and they are topped with a variety of Thai toppings. The 3 popular toppings are raisins, phoi thong egg shreds, and shredded coconut with minced dried shrimp. Although these snacks are small, they have a big influence in history. In the past, the ability to create this khanom buang used to be a qualification that should be found in a woman. And this snack has shaped so many surrounding cultures in Thailand. But now, this snack is a well-known snack that foreigners won't want to miss having a taste.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope that you enjoyed it.
And we hope that you will try Thailand's large variety of foods and desserts. Hey!